Hi, I'm Steve. I'm the Design and Technical Manager here at TB Electrics. We primarily install Sigenergy inverter and batteries, and we've installed a battery and inverter system, which then retrospectively required a 3-hour fire enclosure. This brought up a few issues with regards to some inverter temperatures, and this was alerted to us from the technical team at Sigenergy to basically tell us that the inverter was too hot. From an installer's perspective, that's fantastic. It means that we can rely on the back office to inform us if there are ever any issues that we need to rectify. And the system is now working perfectly, and we are having absolutely no errors at all with regards to the inverter temperature. We're going to continue to support and install Sigenergy. We think it's the best kit out there in the market. Nothing gets close.